Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial about the Zenduty API Postman collection. Zenduty actively maintains a REST API, providing developers with the ability to supplement and deploy Zenduty in sync with other tools and services. Naturally, building with the Zenduty REST API allows you to create and update incidents, users, teams, schedules, integrations, basically every component of the Zenduty platform, and even automate your workflows using very simple scripts. To learn more, just check out the Zenduty API documentation. The link will be in the description below. It's a standard guide for everything Zenduty. We also maintain a pretty robust Zenduty API Postman collection, a Postman collection is essentially an executable API description. The Zenduty Postman collection makes it fairly easier and convenient to keep our API requests and elements organized. So if you want to use the Postman collection to aid you in your building journey, make sure that you have Postman installed. Once you have that, clone this repository, the API Postman repository. The link will be again in the description below. And once you're ready with that, just open up Postman, click on the collections tab from the left, click on import, upload files, and choose the Zenduty API Postman collection from here. And there you go. Postman has basically done your entire job for you. All of the possible Zenduty requests are available here and can be used as per your requirements. So now to authorize this API to send requests to Zenduty, we'll need to get an API key. So log on to Zenduty again, click on the account tab from the top right, click on account, go to API keys, and we'll create a new API key. Mind you, you need to be a manager or an admin to get this page. Name this key something that you may remember later, like demo key. And there you go, you have your API key visible to you. Make sure that you copy this right now because it will not be visible again and you'll need to create another one. Once you've copied this key, just click on Zenduty API folder, and under authorization we'll paste this API key over here and save. So you're basically ready to go. Your Postman collection can be fired up, and we'll see what we can do with it. So let's try something basic like listing all account members. So firstly, make sure that you inherit auth from parent under every folder. We'll go to list account members, and since this is a simple GET request, all you need to do is just click on send. And there you go, all your users that are associated with this account are visible to you right now. There can be many use cases when you'd want all users in your account and their emails to be visible to you, and this is definitely something that can aid you with that. Now let's do something more complicated, like creating a team maybe. Again, we'll have to inherit auth from parent, and this time we'll need to provide it a name. So let's call our team the API team, and let's just click on send, and there you go, a new team has been created. It's called the API team. Let's check if this reflects in the Zenduty platform as expected. And there you go, our API team is visible over here. It has one member, which will be the owner right now. Now let's try and do more with this. Let's try to add a new user to a newly created team. To do that, we'll just copy up the unique ID for our team that we just created. Go to invite account user and replace the team ID with our newly created team ID. And you have some details to fill in over here: the first name, last name, and the email of the user that you'll be adding just now. And once you're done, just click on create and send. And there you go, your new user has just been added. Let's go back to Zenduty to check if this new user was added as intended. And there you go, our API team has a new user just added right now. With our recently acquired prowess, let's explore one of the more frequently requested use cases, which is checking who is on call. To do that, we'll just go to the on call folder and list details of who is on call. In the post URL, we'll edit the team ID and paste the team ID from our newly created team, and just click on send. And there you go, we have the list of who is on call available to us right now. Since we haven't created a schedule for a new team, this is the default escalation policy that's taking place, but we still know which users are on call, and we can see that Dwight Shoot is on call right now. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We can do a lot more with the Zenduty API. You can create scripts to send emails daily of who is on call to your entire team. You can invite multiple users within a few clicks, and even craft on-call schedules with just a few lines. To learn more, do check out the Zenduty API documentations, and do reach out to us in case you have any other queries.